And in this example, we are going to go through a practical application of simultaneous equations. So let's begin. Hansel and Gretel's total age is 17. Now the product of the ages is 72. So what are their respective ages if Hansel is older than Gretel? Now over here, let's just bear in mind a few things. They didn't specify what is your x and y. So let's just first of all define Hansel and Gretel's age, okay, to be x and y respectively. Then we can say that x plus y has to be equals to 17, while x multiplied by y is 72. Okay, the product of the ages is 72, the sum of the ages is 17. Now once that is done, we can begin with our solving of simultaneous equations. How does that work? First of all, from equation number 1, we can make say x the subject of formula. X is actually 17 minus y, and so that is actually going to give me a third equation. With that third equation, I can therefore say to sub in the third equation into the second equation, of which we will get x multiplied by y equals to 72, which means that 17 minus y multiplied by y is equals to 72. So 17y minus y squared is equals to 72, and by shifting the variables over to the right side, we are able to get a pretty nice quadratic expression that you should be very familiar with. Y squared minus 17y plus 72 equals to 0. Factorizing this expression, you should be able to get y minus 8, y minus 9 being equals to 0, which implies that y is either equals to 8 or y is equals to 9. Now that being said, we have to sub these items, y equals to 8 or y equals to 9, into equation number 3, for which we get x is equals to 17 minus 8, or that will give me 9, or x is going to give me 17 minus 9, which is going to give me 8. So which of the two do we accept and which one do we reject? So over here, the question says that Hansel is older than Gretel. That means that x is greater than y. Now because x is greater than y, we can therefore say that x has to be 9 while y is 8. In other words, Hansel is 8 years old, is 9 years old rather, while Gretel is 8 years old. Here we go, we have solved this problem already.